In today's video, we are discussing how to split concept part into separate files in SolidWorks. So let's start discussion. In Have you ever designed an entire concept in one SolidWorks part file, and then you realize you have to recreate each and every component again for manufacturing or 3D printing, right? In this video, we'll show you how exactly to split a multi-body part into individual components and generate a clean SolidWorks assembly. In just a few steps, like 4 to 5 steps, you will get your parts, separate parts from your assembly, without recreating any component, right? So, before Drivin, let me tell you one story why I'm making this video, right? Just a few days ago, one of my client and me working on one concept, and just after created a concept that customer asked me part file uh, for uh, for checking and checking with 3D printing. And he wants to create each and every component 3D printing printed parts to check assembly if anything is need to change or not. Okay, that time he called me and asked me, can I provide him uh, uh, part file today, by today only. And it's really difficult for me to recreate each and every component from scratch. That's when I use this multi-body uh, to assembly trick. In just a few steps, I split the model and extract only the part he needed, and delivered on time. He's very happy that I have delivered yeah, parts on time, and I also got to know like new feature about the SolidWorks. Before that, I also not aware about this. I know this, but I never use this. This is how this idea came to my mind, and I thought, why not share this with you all? You also can use this powerful workflow when the time is tight and you are also in situation like I am. So this is how this idea came to my mind, and this is the situation, right? So let's start discussion. Let's start from step one. You can see on screen, this is a one assembly, okay, multi-body assembly. I have created this assembly in single part drawing. There is a rotor and winding coils, right? Now I have requirement to separate this coil file and rotor for the maybe for the 3D printing or any other work, right? You have same requirement, and that time what you can do is either you have to recreate coils and rotor as well. But creating rotor is not a big task, but creating coil without rotor, it is a big task. So in that case, what we can do is we can follow simple steps, and without recreating component, we will get what we want. So let me show you how is it possible. Once you click on this upper arrow near your home and file location, save location, you'll see insert tool. In insert tool, you'll see feature tool, and once you click on feature, there is a third last third last tool, which is save bodies. Once you open this save body, you have to wait for a few seconds, and you'll see the your all component color will gone. This is how exactly we'll see our file when we created step file, right? This is how it looks. So basically, what we can do is now, if I want to give name to each and every component, just have to double click on this none, and automatically my file name will show here. Okay. So what I can do is I'll create one file here with the name winding. Okay. I'll save and then go to file name, and giving my file name is rotor winding coil 1. Okay. Then save. Once you select your use in another file diagram, what do you let's choose okay, what I can do is coil 1. See, that file name has been changed, and here also the name has been changed. Now I have also have one option that if don't want to change uh, like specific file, give specific file name, there is an option auto syncing titles. Once I click on this, all my titles or file name has been created automatically, right? This is a simple process. You also can follow this for your work. If you want to give a specific name, you also can give that as I show you. Or next step is you have to go to create assembly. If you have requirement to create assembly, you also can create assembly here by giving name coil assembly. That's what I'm giving name to my file. Okay. Rotor winding, the location has been very okay. So now the process has been done. We created all the zinc bars and similar bodies and cut list. Okay. We don't want to do that. I want to create each and every component separately. Okay. So this is how. Okay. Auto created all the component name. Once I click on OK, just after a few seconds, waiting for a few minutes and seconds, you'll see one notification will come on your screen that related to unit of measure you want to change or not. If you don't want to change, you have to say no. As per the file name, you have to say no each and every file. So I have 6 files. I have to say this no to 6 times, and then you have to wait for a minute. And here you will see your component file has been saved, and your original file will keep as it is. There is no change in your original file. Uh, Build and save your document. So what you will see, save your each body as a separate component by giving a SOLIDWORKS part name. Second thing, this will create SOLIDWORKS assembly with every position as it was. Okay. And third one, your original concept file will remain uh, intact, right? There is no file error or anything happened to your original assembly or prototype file, concept file you will see here. So let me show you uh, component file also. See, your assembly has been saved here, and your components will get to see. here. See, save body is 1 to save body 6. This is the component file names which we have seen here, because we are not giving any location to that file, so it's automatically created here. Okay. Okay, so this is how the process has been done. Okay, this is the outcome you will see. How is it, how much it's beneficial for you, right? Here what you will achieve, as I said, now we created as our requirement a modular part file, a clean assembly structure, and ready for this. Now these components are ready for mates, any studies or technical drawings, right? This is whole thing we'll get by following very simple steps. This is actually a very pro tip for users. Yeah, by using this method as a part of top-down design flow. Start with concept inside one file, and then when you design is stable, split it into proper parts, right? This is very time saving and keeps your file organized and makes collaboration easier. This is especially you will use this tool for the large assembly projects, because in large projects this is very difficult to recreating each and every component, right? So here is a uh, here is a tip for you guys. Use this feature, use this tool, recreate your concepts by using this tip, and let us know that it's working for you or not. If you find any difficulties, you'll uh, connect me, you'll comment on my video so that I can see and reply you with the solution. You'll have, if you have any difficulties with this video, right? uh, if if this video, this SolidWorks tips help you, please give the video like, share it with your design designer friends and buddies, and subscribe us for more professional content, which will share each on each Thursday and every weekend also, right?